As you can clearly see, they're out and about. It's about 68, and I'm out here trying to make things happen. So come along with me as we venture out on the Beltline today, 2026.
Thirst, baby. I appreciate the love, man.
Pretty much the same thing in my culture, in Jamaican culture. They sell juices just like that.
So
yeah,
that's it. It's cactus.
all natural.
All natural.
Yeah, man. So come check him out. He's on the Beltline all summer. But he's on the Beltline majority of the time on the weekends. I'm not sure if he's on the weekdays, but you catch him on the Beltline. We go. You see this street right here? The sun is like really nice right there. All right, cool. All right, Harley and Harika. You can put some lip gloss. Get your face dipped.